What's the next big upgrade?
We're working on the Fulu hard fork, which is a combination of, you may have heard of it as Fusaka. So in combination with the execution layer and the consensus layer, it's called Fusaka. Osaka and Fulu together. The great thing about this is that we have to work together with the consensus and the execution layers together to do these hard forks. For us, the big thing is actually going to be Pure DAS.
Yeah.
So Pure DAS is basically data availability sampling. And the way this works is instead of every node running through everything, especially if you're like a Raspberry Pi or if you're like some super computer, you're all still doing the same amount of work right now. So not everybody needs to carry all of the same information. Everybody carries little bits, and then you can use a mechanism to basically verify that all the pieces exist in the network, but you only carry like a small portion of it. Data, blobs, as you may have heard, like if you know the difference between blocks and blobs.
Yeah.
But yeah, like we would basically have erasure coding on the blobs to basically doubles the size of it. But now you can only receive a portion of that to recreate what the blob was. Little piece here with this one peer, little piece there with this one peer. And depending on things like how many validators you're running, basically tell you how much data you need to custody. But the main idea here is that not everybody is going to be running through all the transactions and all the blobs. You trust that the network has all the information, but everybody does their part.